To multiply and divide mixed numbers, we need to be able to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction. An improper fraction will have a numerator that is larger than the denominator. In this case, I will need my final answer to have a denominator of 5. To do that, I look at the fact that 2 is the same as 10 fifths, and now I can add that to 4 fifths. I can add straight across. 10 plus 4 is 14, and the common denominator stays a 5. 2 and 4 fifths is equivalent to 14 fifteenths. Now there is a shortcut. Instead of rewriting 2 as 10 fifths, we would do 5 times 2. That got me this 10. Once I've done 5 times 2, I will add 4, which is this number right here. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, and my denominator stays the same as the original 5. Let's try the shortcut one more time. So I would start at the bottom and do 10 times 3, which is 30, and then I would add the number on the top to get 10 times 3 is 30, plus 7 is 37, and I always keep my denominator the same. When you add or multiply fractions, you might end up with an answer of an improper fraction. Typically, we want our final answer to be in a mixed number form. To turn this into a mixed number, I'm going to do 42 divided by 5. A fraction is the same as a division problem. So I will do 42 divided by 5. I want to know how many times 5 can fit into 42. Well, I know that 5 times 8 is 40. So I'll subtract, and I have 2 left over. Now instead of writing remainder 2, I'm going to write my answer as a fraction. I had 2 pieces left over out of the original denominator of 5. My final answer is 8 and 2 fifths. Let's try one more. I want to know 53 thirds as a mixed number, so I'm going to do 53 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 once. I subtract 3 to get 2 left over, and I bring down the 3. 3 goes into 23 7 times. 3 times 7 is 21. I subtract, and I have 2 left over. Again, instead of writing remainder 2, I have 2 pieces left. Out of 3, I keep the same denominator for a final answer of 17 and 2 thirds.